Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Feel it draw you in, watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow, setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day. Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish found born into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. And the story comes alive when we move a new adventure. There in your eyes, it's just beginning. Feel your heartbeat faster. Reach out and find the happy ever after. Find joy happily ever after. Evening star, you shine bright. So make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen.
There, strolling by the sand, taste the morning out there, like ordinary men who freely walk about there. Just one day, and then I swear I'll be content with my share. Won't resent, won't despair. Oh, and then I don't care. I live out
Your destiny lies within you. You just have to be brave enough to see it, and then your journey begins.
I will hear there every story take hold of my own dream. Be as strong as the seas are stormy, and proud as an eagle's feet. I will fly, chase the wind and touch the sky. I will fly, chase the wind and touch the sky. Chase
friend by your side opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
That's what friends are for.
Mr. Madison, have a wish or two or three. I'm on the job, you're bringing on your
You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a You ain't never had a friend like me.
Oh, come on, not done!
Some people are worth melting for.
Let's just leave already.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open door.
No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart and it's like the fog is lifted.
And at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is blue, and it's warm and real and bright, and the world is somehow shifted. All at once, everything is different now that
How long is this?
Flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all.
I'm just wondering.
Look inside yourself. You are more than what you have become. Remember who you are.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me, where the crowds would cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be."
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the loss says in all the glory, we're changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly. You can fly. You can fly.
Look, it's Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, dreamers of all ages, thank you for joining us this evening for our nighttime spectacular, Happily Ever After.